weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Ashtabula County, western Erie County, Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles west of Ashtabula and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ashtabula, Erie, North Kingsville, Conneaup, Albion, Girard. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Ashtabula, Ohio, and Erie, Pennsylvania.